Welcome to our trip to Spain and Portugal. We're finishing off what we started earlier in the year. This is our first stop at a nice little town. 10-minute walk down to the town and the harbour and the sun. But just show you the little area we stopped at. For yeah, it's only 10-minute walk, as I say, down to town. That's the Picos Mountains in the background there. And here's our little van. Going to move on now a bit farther down the coast before we start heading towards Portugal. Just pulled up to a little stop. We're hopefully going to stop tonight by the sea. There's this lovely little stream, picnic benches, a little waterfall. Smashing. Can't believe how beautiful northern Spain is.
Hello, we're at the place called, we say Foz? Is it Foz?
Foztown, yeah.
Foztown, yeah, look, lovely beach. Yeah, harbours. This is kind of like, yep, it's where they kind of like meet the sea, and then there's this lovely little bay here with the children coming in. Looks quite safe. It's fairly shallow, breezy, but not as breezy as where we just come from, is it, John?
Not at all.
No, much better, isn't it? I try not to. But, yeah, nice. Good for the soul. Oh, we missed that jumping in. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for now, I think.
Testing the waters. Was it? Never mind. Are you going to get your kit off then? Oh, good morning. We're at Foz, a little town on the north coast of Spain. Very nice actually. There's a lovely beach here behind me, as you can see. Well, it's part of the estuary actually, but it's a massive area. Lots of homes, loads of homes here. I'll just turn the phone around. We're parked just in the middle there between those two vans at the second row. Yeah, lovely. We had a little walk up the town yesterday, and nice, lovely free air. Can't beat it, can you? Wake up to this in the morning. So we're going to sort of head south now, down towards Portugal. All these skulls have all been painted differently, I guess. Different artists. Yeah. Researcher, what do you reckon, Jean? I painted them, all been given a skull and been. Oh, look at that, I like this one.
So rude, Joy. That's not getting the video. Witches. They are witches, aren't
Witches, yeah. It's like being a home. Just visited the Cathedral of Lugos. We're now on the city walls. There's quite a lot of really old buildings that have just been left to fall down, really. But quite a lot of ruins about.
Morning, everybody. Morning, John.
Good morning.
Yep, we're in North Spain still. Really enjoying this area that we've not ever done before. We found an air, or John did, a lovely air, free, and we're just camped up there. There's our little van amongst a couple of other ones. And over here is a bar. He opens up a bit later on, serves some food and obviously drinks. And over here, this is free, 3 thermal pools, which must be sulphur because I think they smell of egg. John had a dip yesterday, I didn't. They're not very warm, but they're all right. It was very hot yesterday, 31, so it was quite nice for John to get in. This one's empty, so it was full. Yes, that's a children's one. Got a muzzy right by my nose. And over there, there's 2 more. One family and 1 adult. God, that muzzy's getting on my nerves. And that, I think because that was empty, I think they must filter from those other 2. I think, I don't really know. But yeah, it's all free. Lovely. You can sit on here with your chairs, read your book. Because with these free airs, you can't really sit outside your van, so this is quite nice. And over here's a beautiful river, which goes on for quite a way. The fish were jumping earlier, and I heard them splishing back down. Didn't see them, but I could hear them. Took a walk yesterday down that way, which was very nice. I'll have a little walk up there today. I don't know yet. Just see how it pans out, basically. So we're just going to sit in here and read a book for a little while. It was quite cold this morning, but it's going to be 31 again. So we're going to try to sit around here, chill out, give John a rest from driving. He was a bit tired, I think. So yeah, bye for now.
Here we are in Zavora town. We've had to come over here because the forest fires in Portugal were making it impossible to go. So we've sort of took a detour around the edge of Portugal to come and have a look here. Very nice. Just felt a few spots of rain now, so. Hi, we're at our first stop in Portugal now, proper. We've come to a town called Belmonte, probably about an hour inside Portugal.
No, it's called Belmonte.
That's what I said. Stupid. And I'll just give a quick show around now of the town. Obviously it looks like there's going to be some rain, which is much needed because the had quite a lot of fires. Farther south, north side, little castle here. Not an area we really planned to visit, but I'm quite glad we did now because quite an attractive town. Inside the castle, having a little look round. Big window here. At the top of the castle, fantastic view. Looks like it might rain. It's lovely. Wow. It is up there. Cost me a princely sum of €2 to come here. I was feeling generous, so I paid for her as well.
It's only a cup of tea, so he needs to.
Yeah. There's the, looks like got like an auditorium set up down there. There we go. Hi, here we are at our first park up in Portugal, Belmonte. It's quite an interesting town. We've just been around the castle. Quite a historic place really. I wasn't expecting it, and it's been worthwhile. But I'll just switch you around the view we got from our little park up. There is an official air down in the town, but we've come up to it because the it's a big walk up the hill, to be honest. Town is a bit more modern on this side, but it's a massive, great big car park really, but plenty of space for loads of motorhomes. Our first stop by the Portuguese coast, we're parked here, as you can see, right on the edge of like a beach, a car park with quite a few other motorhomes. I'll just take you down to the sea to show you. Sea is the sea. Unfortunately, it's been quite misty on and off last couple of hours. We're going to get off and head a little bit farther south, hopefully get away from this cold sea mist that's coming in. But you can see it's a beautiful place to stop. And at the far end, to the side of that, where people are standing, there's a huge beach that goes on for miles. Finally ended up here. I'll put the name of the town on the screen. It's a beautiful old medieval town again, but very interesting castle and everything. And this aqueduct behind where we're parked. People. Pretty cool, walking along the belt and the battlements there. There's no barriers at all, you could just fall off the edge. Ooh. Come on, babe.
One idiot in front, so let's jump at the
Come on, quick, look there, quick. Goes taller there. There it is. Come on. It's greatly fun this is, but I think June's chicken out. Come on! Well, that's the end of part 1. Join us soon for part 2.